If you're using TP-Link devices, you need to stop what you're doing and listen up. A recent investigation has revealed that TP-Link routers and other devices are being exploited in cyber attacks. Microsoft, US lawmakers, and security experts are raising urgent alarms. Here's everything you need to know and why you should ditch TP-Link products immediately. Microsoft's damning report. In October, Microsoft released a report that shook the tech world. Their findings? TP-Link routers were the most compromised devices in a Chinese password-spraying hack. Microsoft identified this attack as nation-state threat actor activity, a coordinated government-backed cyber attack. This isn't just a random hack. It's part of a larger strategy targeting US users and businesses. Lawmakers demand action. Even before Microsoft's report, TP-Link was already under the microscope. In August, the House Select Committee on the Chinese Communist Party urged an investigation into TP-Link. The lawmakers wrote, and I quote, "TP-Link's unusual degree of vulnerabilities and required compliance with Chinese law are in and of themselves disconcerting." They went further, stating, "When combined with the Chinese government's common use of home office routers like TP-Link to perpetrate extensive cyber attacks in the United States, it becomes significantly alarming." These vulnerabilities are not just flaws. They're open doors for hackers tied to China's state-backed cyber programs. TP-Link's reach is everywhere. TP-Link holds 65% of the US router market. But what's worse? They own several brands that many people don't realize are TP-Link products. Here's a list of all the brands under TP-Link. Deco, TP-Link's mesh Wi-Fi systems for homes. Tapo, smart bulbs, plugs, cameras, and hubs for smart homes. Casa Smart, popular smart home devices like switches, plugs, and security cameras. Omada, networking products for businesses, including routers and switches. VG, surveillance cameras and security systems. Aginet, ISP-focused networking hardware. Mercusis, affordable routers and Wi-Fi devices for home use. If you own any device from these brands, it's time to seriously consider replacing them. Why this matters to you? TP-Link devices have repeatedly failed to address major security vulnerabilities quickly. These flaws allow hackers to monitor your online activity, steal sensitive data like passwords, compromise your entire network. This affects your home, your business, and every device connected to your network. With government investigations ongoing and clear evidence of exploitation, why take the risk? What you should do immediately: replace all TP-Link devices. Look for trusted alternatives like Asus, Netgear, or Eero, known for strong security and frequent updates. Check your devices for TP-Link brands. Look for products labeled Deco, Casa, Tapo, Omada, Vigi, Aginet, or Mercusis. If you see any of these names, replace them as soon as possible. Secure your network with a VPN. Even with better hardware, a VPN adds a critical layer of protection to your network. It encrypts your internet traffic, making it invisible to hackers and state-sponsored actors. Check the description for the VPN we recommend to protect your home and business network. The bottom line: TP-Link's security failures, combined with their links to state-backed cyber attacks, are alarming. Microsoft's findings and government investigations prove this is not just speculation. It's a real, growing threat. If you care about your privacy and data, replacing TP-Link devices isn't just an option. It's a necessity. Conclusion: take action today. Replace your TP-Link devices, check for their associated brands, and secure your network. If you found this information helpful, hit like and subscribe for more cybersecurity updates. Let us know in the comments. Are you still using TP-Link devices, or have you already made the switch? Check the description for the VPN we recommend to keep your network safe.